Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about some foods that may be harming your health without you even realizing it. Your gut is the center of your health. If it's not functioning well, you may feel low on energy, have dull skin, or struggle with weight loss. But don't worry, we're going to dive into this and uncover 5 foods that are destroying your gut. Your gut health is crucial for the health of your entire body. Your immune system and digestion are directly linked to your gut. Let's start with sugar. Sugar is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to damaging your gut. Too much sugar leads to the growth of bad bacteria, disrupting the balance of your gut flora. Sugar affects more than just your energy levels. It can impact your mood too. Remember, when your gut is healthy, your entire body stays in balance. Cutting back on sugar can improve not just your gut health, but your overall quality of life. Next up is processed foods. In today's world, they're everywhere, easy to grab but not so easy on your gut. Fast food, pre-packaged snacks. These things not only make digestion harder but also harm the good bacteria in your gut. Choosing natural, fresh and fiber-rich foods instead will support your digestive system and leave you feeling more energetic. And now let's talk about dairy. For many people, dairy can be hard to digest. If you're lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy, these foods can wreak havoc on your gut. This can lead to gas, bloating, and even inflammation in the gut. Reducing dairy can improve gut health and leave you feeling lighter and less bloated. Gluten is another one to watch out for. For those with celiac disease, gluten can seriously damage the gut lining, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. But even if you don't have celiac disease, overconsumption of gluten can disrupt your gut balance. By being mindful of gluten-containing foods, you can achieve better digestion and a healthier gut. Finally, let's talk about fried foods and trans fats. These fats increase inflammation in the gut and make digestion more difficult. Trans fats can lead to an increase in bad bacteria in your gut, negatively impacting your overall health. Instead, choose healthier fats like olive oil. With these small changes, you'll feel more energetic and healthier overall. Now, aside from avoiding these foods, let's talk about how you can improve your gut health. First step, drink plenty of water and eat fiber-rich foods. Also, probiotics are a great way to support your gut flora. Eating fermented foods like yogurt and kefir can help balance your gut health. Remember, your health is in your hands. Protecting your gut isn't just about better digestion. It's about living a more energetic and joyful life. Your body always gives you signals. It's up to you to listen and take the right steps. By cutting out these harmful foods, you're not only protecting your gut, but your entire body. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that will support you on your journey to a healthier life. Remember, I'm here for you. Let's take control of our health together. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.